Are you looking to save on your energy bill but on a tight budget? Let's start with sealing the leaks in your home. You might be surprised to know just how much energy is lost through air leaks. These sneaky little culprits can be found around windows, doors, and even electrical outlets, and they're often responsible for a significant portion of your energy bill. Now, you may be thinking, but how can I possibly find all these leaks? Well, it's easier than you might think. On a cool day, simply run your hand along the edges of your windows and doors. If you feel a draft, you've found a leak. You can also use a lit incense stick. If the smoke moves, that's another sign of a leak. Once you've identified the leaks, it's time to seal them up. And don't worry, it won't cost you an arm and a leg. In fact, weather stripping and caulking are both affordable solutions that can significantly reduce air leaks. Weather stripping is great for sealing gaps around movable components like doors and operable windows. It's easy to install. Just cut to size, peel the backing off, and stick it in place. On the other hand, caulking is perfect for sealing gaps in stationary components, like window frames and baseboards. Using a caulking gun, apply a bead of caulk along the gap, then smooth it out with a caulk smoothing tool or your finger. And voila, you've sealed your leaks. But don't stop there. Remember to check for leaks regularly, especially after a storm or extreme weather. So with a bit of effort and a small investment, you can seal off those pesky leaks and start saving energy. Stay tuned for more affordable tips to save on your energy bill. Next up, we'll be talking about upgrading to LED bulbs. Next, consider upgrading to LED light bulbs. They're more efficient and last longer than traditional bulbs. Now, let's delve deeper into why these small pieces of tech are a big deal when it comes to energy efficiency. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. These bulbs work by passing an electrical current through a microchip, which lights up tiny light sources we call LEDs. The result? You get the same amount of light using less power. In fact, LED bulbs use about 75% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. That's a significant reduction in energy consumption, which means less strain on our planet and more money in your pocket. But it's not just about energy efficiency. LED bulbs also have a much longer lifespan compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. On average, an LED bulb can last up to 25 times longer than its incandescent counterpart. That means fewer trips to the store and less time spent changing out bulbs. Plus, with the price of LED bulbs becoming more affordable, the initial cost can often be recouped over time through energy savings. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but isn't switching over to LED a hassle? Not at all. Upgrading to LED bulbs is as simple as unscrewing the old bulb and screwing in the new one. Most LED bulbs are designed to fit into the same sockets as traditional bulbs, so there's no need for any special adapters or fittings. And with a variety of color temperatures available, from warm white to cool daylight, you can create the perfect ambiance for every room in your home. So to recap, LED bulbs are more energy efficient, they last longer, they're becoming more affordable, and they're easy to install. They're a small change that can make a big difference in your energy usage and your energy bill. Switching to LED bulbs is an easy and affordable way to reduce your energy consumption. A programmable thermostat can also help you save energy and money. Now, that's a statement worth pondering. Let's delve into the world of programmable thermostats and discover how they can be a game changer for your home's energy efficiency. On the face of it, a thermostat might seem like just another gadget, but don't be fooled. This small device has a big job. It's the gatekeeper of your home's heating and cooling system, the unsung hero that can make a significant difference to your energy consumption. Programmable thermostats are designed to adjust the temperature according to a series of programmed settings that take effect at different times of the day. For instance, you can set your thermostat to lower the heat when you're at work and then warm up the house just before you come home. No more wasting energy on an empty house. How's that for smart? And let's talk about affordability. Despite their high-tech features, programmable thermostats are surprisingly affordable. You can find a basic model for around the same cost as a meal out. But the real savings come from the energy you'll conserve. Studies have shown that using a programmable thermostat can save you up to 10% a year on heating and cooling costs. But how easy is it to install, I hear you ask? Fear not, it's a breeze. Many programmable thermostats come with user-friendly instructions and all the necessary hardware. You might need a screwdriver, but that's about it. And if you're not confident, hire a pro. It's a small investment for a big return. And then, the magic happens. Once you've got your programmable thermostat installed, you can start programming it to match your lifestyle. Early bird? Program it to warm up the house before you rise. Night owl? Set it to cool down after you've hit the hay. It's all in your hands. With a programmable thermostat, you can take control of your energy use and save money in the process. So why not give it a shot? Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Did you know that your electronics can still consume energy even when they're turned off? This is called phantom energy. Phantom energy, also known as standby power, is a sneaky culprit that increases your energy bill without you even noticing. It's the energy consumed by your devices when they're not in use but still plugged into an outlet. It's like a silent vampire slowly draining your wallet. So how do you combat this invisible energy thief? One affordable solution is to use power strips with on-off switches. These handy devices allow you to easily cut off power to multiple electronics at once, preventing them from drawing phantom energy. Imagine this. You have your television, gaming console, and sound system all plugged into a single power strip. When you're done watching your favorite show or playing the latest video game, instead of leaving these devices in standby mode, you can simply flip the switch on the power strip. Just like that, you've stopped the flow of phantom energy. Now, you might be thinking, but I already have power strips at home, and they don't have on-off switches. Don't worry, upgrading to power strips with switches won't break the bank. They're quite affordable, and the savings you'll see on your energy bill can quickly offset the initial investment. But remember, using power strips effectively requires a bit of strategy. You want to group together electronics that you typically use at the same time. For example, your computer, monitor, and printer can all go on one power strip. Your kitchen appliances, like your coffee maker and toaster, can go on another. By organizing your electronics this way, you can easily cut off power to entire groups of devices when they're not in use. It's a simple yet effective way to combat phantom energy. So take control of your energy consumption. Don't let your devices drain power and your money when you're not using them. By using power strips with on-off switches, you can eliminate phantom energy and reduce your energy bill. Lastly, consider investing in an energy-wise attic cover. This ingenious product is designed with energy efficiency in mind, providing an extra layer of insulation to your home. It's an unsung hero in the battle against high energy bills, and we're about to discover why. Let's start with its benefits. The energy-wise attic cover acts as a barrier, preventing warm air from escaping your home during the cold months and keeping the cool air inside during the sweltering summer days. This simple yet effective mechanism can significantly reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, helping you save on energy costs. The product's features are equally impressive. The energy-wise attic cover is made from top-quality insulating material designed to withstand the test of time. It's like having an extra blanket for your house, and who doesn't love a cozy blanket? One of the best things about the energy-wise attic cover is how easy it is to install. You don't need any special tools or skills, just a bit of time, a ladder, and you're good to go. It's a project that even the least handy among us can tackle with confidence. Now let's talk about the impact. The energy-wise attic cover is an affordable solution that can make a big difference. By improving the insulation in your attic, you're addressing one of the most common sources of energy loss in homes. It's a small step that can lead to significant savings on your energy bill over time. So if you're looking for a cost-effective way to improve your home's energy efficiency, the energy-wise attic cover should be on your list. It's a smart investment that will pay off in comfort, savings, and peace of mind. With the energy-wise attic cover, you can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency and save money on your energy bill.